Hello Python enthusiasts. Let us check range function in Python. So range function is used to return a sequence of number. So if you check the syntax for the range, it is having three arguments: start, stop and step. So if range is going to return a sequence of number, we need to mention what will be the starting point and what will be the end point and what will be the step in which you want to generate a sequence of number. So out of these three, stop is compulsory and start and steps are optional. Start is used to mention at which position you want to start the sequence and its default value is 0. Next is stop. It is compulsory. In case of your stop, we are mentioning at what position we want to stop our sequence. But whatever value you have mentioned in case of your stop, it is not included in your sequence. Next is step. It is optional. By default, step of 1 is taken to find out the sequence of a number. It is also possible you can use a negative number and you can print a sequence which are in a decrement order. Let us understand range function with the help of example. So here I have taken a variable x and I am trying to hold a range of 5. That means I am expecting a sequence 0 to 4 in this case. So if I try to print the type of x, you will get the answer it is belongs to a class range. Now if you want to access every member, or we can say whatever the sequence generated by this range function, you need to use either for loop or you can convert it into a list form. So for time being, I am converting this range or the sequence of number into a list form with the help of list constructor, and after that we will just try to print the value of x. So here you will get the answer in a list form with value 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. It is start with the 0 and it will end with the 4. So here you can observe we have just given a stop value, that is nothing but the 5, and your list is containing the default value as a 0 and end with 4 because 5 is not included in our list. Now suppose I want to print a number from 5 to 10. That means I am going to give a start with value as a 5 and stop value will be given as a 10, and default value is 1 is considered for our step, and if you try to re-execute the code you will get the output of having a list with value 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So here the default step of 1 is considered. Now I will change the default step to 2. I will re-execute the code. You will find the output as a 5, 7 and 9. So now you can check we have used a step in terms of positive, that is incrementation point of view. Now suppose I want to go for the decrement, so I have just updated as a -1 instead of 2. Now if I re-execute the code, I am getting the empty list because I cannot move from 5 to 10 in step of -1. But instead of 5, if I give it as a 15 as my starting point and 10 as my ending point, and if I give a step of -1, it is possible for me to print the value 15, 14, 13, 12 and 11. The same way I can give a negative step of 3 and I will re-execute the code. I will get the output as a 15 and 12. So that's all about the range function in Python. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more insights.